Salut tout le monde! Aujourd'hui à ploxtime, Walking Dead, partie 10. Fait que dans le fond, ce qui s'est passé aux dernières nouvelles, Carly est morte. Lily, on l'a kick out du groupe, puis on prenait le petit RV pour foutre le camp. Fait que on passe ça maintenant. Je vais peut-être devoir faire une petite ellipse parce que je vais recommencer un peu la fin justement parce qu'on kick out Lily parce qu'il y a eu des problèmes. Fait que 1, 2, 3, boum!
Lee, a word, please.
Ah, ben non, on était rendu là. Fait que dans le fond, j'avais rien à couper. Ok, on y va, go. Fait que on va parler avec Katja, quelque chose de même. Là, on est plus que 6.
Is Doug feeling all right?
Ah non, il s'est fait mort.
What the fuck?
Happened during the raid.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Il va se changer. Qu'est-ce qu'on
What's the
fait?
plan? You've never had a bite victim in the group before.
Ouais.
I'm going to keep an eye on him and see what I can do from a medical perspective.
Tu peux lui
Keep
couper
the
le
same
corps.
plan unless something changes. East.
Guys,
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Important to stay honest with each other.
J'ai été honnête avec eux autres que j'ai
If you
tués,
could
puis
tell
ils sont honnêtes avec
Clementine,
moi.
we would appreciate it.
On va aller voir Clementine. La petite Clementine. Elle est traumatisée, là.
Duck is bitten.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good. What about Carly?
Gone, but won't come back.
'Cause she was shot in the head.
That's right. It's horrible.
Yeah, it is.
Pauvre petite Clémentine, c'est une petite fille comme ça qui vit des trucs de même, c'est intense, là. Faut qu'elle survive jusqu'à la fin. Et plus loin encore.
I'm glad I have you.
Me too. I heard you outside my treehouse that day and thought about dropping a hammer on my head.
Ah, c'est gentil.
That's nice.
I didn't though.
Thanks.
Ouais, c'est gentil. On va aller interroger Ben pour savoir s'il a vraiment fait ça, je pense. Wow!
What happened? Holy shit!
What the fuck?
Get off of me!
Hey là, oh non, 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 non! Ok, pfiou, hey, c'est juste. Oh, yo! Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Hey, quoi? Pourquoi?
Road's blocked. Now we gotta deal with this.
Et maintenant, on va prendre le train. Comme dans l'image de start de la semaine passée, on a pris le train. Pardon, excusez-moi, je le hockey.
Is there any way to get around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
Ah, ça c'est bien.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax. Clint, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's a freighter, hon. Be careful in there.
What? You think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
On part. Excusez-moi, je ronge mes ongles, je suis désolé. Ok, go. Ouvre la porte.
Whoa.
Somebody's been living in here.
Yeah, man. Shit. Think they're gone?
I hope so. But this looks recently used. Be on the lookout and have your guard up.
On va se concentrer sur la
I'll
bouteille
take
d'eau.
this to Katja for Doc. A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. Route 27, Savannah. That's where Kenny's got us headed.
Parfait. Boum, boum, ça part. Ah, ça a été quand même. Ah, ok. Je pense qu'il y a un zombie à droite. On a vu un dos dans la vitre. Ok, on a checké celle-là. On va checker celle-là. On va prendre. Ah, ok, ok, on prend le choix. Ah, ok. Bon, ben, ok. Next. Next. Ok, bon, celle-là, bon. Ok, fait que je présume qu'il va falloir réparer le train. Puis là, j'ai vu qu'il y avait une tête tantôt. Là, il n'y a plus de tête. Ok.
Shit. We got one. Walker, sitting in the chair. We got him. Suppose we gotta look him over.
Yeah. I don't think this guy came back.
Christ. That light is blinking.
Push it.
Push it?
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look. It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
I'll be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue.
We found this in the boxcar back there.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
I think so.
This hoss will take us right to Savannah. 100 tons of steel. Put 1,000 walkers between us and the ocean, and we don't have to give a shit. I can't believe it.
Just have to figure out how to get it started.
I'm sure we can figure it out. How tough could it be?
No idea, but we'll find out.
That's the spirit. Man, if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls. Man, this could be exactly what we need.
Fait que là, c'est officiel. Nous autres, c'est ce qu'on veut, là. Doc, on va laisser en vie le plus longtemps qu'on peut. On va pas le laisser mourir. C'est notre ami. Ben,
Shit, this is
pas
it.
vraiment.
Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone.
Sûrement à terre, on va le
See
voir.
the indentations from the writing. Ew.
Ouh.
I have no idea what to do with these. Bunch of maps about Georgia's cities. Nothing about the train.
Je vais aller donner la bouteille d'eau à Doc tout de suite.
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can keep thinking about. Like, somehow that matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't. But you're probably right.
Il y a peut-être de quoi là-dedans en arrière que j'ai pas vu, on va aller voir. Ok, on peut le jumper de l'autre bord, c'est bon. Peut-être dans l'autre wagon, il y a peut-être quelque chose, non?
It's stuck. I can definitely pry this thing free. If I can break it loose first.
Ok, on va aller voir en haut.
Shit. Broken.
Ok. D'après moi, plus tard, il va falloir faire de quoi ici. Comment on pourrait faire démarrer le train? Comment faire démarrer le train? On va retourner en avant. Puis peut-être sur le cadavre du gars qu'on a vu tantôt, peut-être c'est là qu'il faudra faire ça.
Nothing.
Non, mais on va continuer de bon, on va checker en dedans. That's it. Tu trouves quelque chose? Kenny? No, I'm a dumb motherfucker. I'm a dumb motherfucker. Boom, 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 boom.
Jesus!
Hey, j'ai tellement fait le saut. C'est quoi ça? Ok. Je vais pas le tirer, je vais vraiment sortir par un coup.
No way. I thought those things were designed to save lives. Too loud. This door's gonna hurt. Okay, you aren't gonna like this.
Il mange la bite! C'est gay! On recommence, désolé, j'ai manqué ma shot. sais, un zombie quand il mange la queue d'un gars, là. Bitch. C'était quoi ça? Des bonbons, des chocolats, c'est quoi?
It's in pretty good shape for a wreck. Nothing about the train. I have no idea what to do with these.
Hey, là, ça, c'est de la marque qu'il faut chercher.
got a problem.
Attends, je vais parler.
What?
We still got the rest of the train attached to us back there.
Shit.
I tried to yank the pin out, but it won't budge.
Well, we ain't going anywhere until it does.
C'est bien de merde. Ok, bon, ben, je vais essayer de trouver un autre outil. Peut-être c'est ça les outils qu'il faut que je change. Là. Enlève clous, on va enlever les clous.
It's stuck. We need a bunch of force to break away all this rust and whatnot before I can pry anything free. There's gotta be a better way to do this.
Ouais, ben je le trouve pas en ce moment, je dois ouvrir.
It's stuck. We need a bunch of force to break away all this rust and whatnot before I can pry anything free.
Peut-être avec la voiture, non? Anyway, on va y voir les kids avec la boîte de biscuits. Peut-être que ça pourrait, je sais pas, aider tout le monde, je sais pas.
That's one hell of a mess.
Il faut faire ça clair que c'est une porte. Je vois vraiment pas c'est quoi le but d'aller ici, genre y a rien. Pourquoi s'il me laisserait aller là, c'est con. Bon. On va trouver un moment donné. Bon.
Here,
Tu
found
fais un
this.
biscuit.
If Duck's up for it.
Thank you. That's very thoughtful. He isn't fussy, you know.
What?
Most kids, they're really fussy about what they'll eat. Hate vegetables, that kind of thing.
Not Duck, huh?
No. The most trouble I ever have is making him use a fork. Thank you, Lee.
Sure. We found a notebook that we think might have had some starter directions on it, but the page is missing.
Well, I'm sure you guys will figure it out.
Ah, even bitch.
There's a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
Bon, on va essayer de trouver le crayon dans le camping-car. Tu sais, elle a déjà dit, tu sais, dans le camping-car peut-être. Fait d'après moi, il faut aller dans le camping-car pour pouvoir justement trouver le crayon. Crayon. Ah, je trouve le crayon. Et voilà, on a le crayon. Le crayon. Ok, je te donne pas le crayon. Bitch. Ok, j'ai le crayon.
Perfect.
You can read it now?
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
Non, pas lui.
Son of a bitch! Whatever you did lit the dash up.
So far, so good.
Now we're talking.
Il est où neuf? Ah, sûrement compartiment moteur, sûrement.
Holy shit! We're golden!
Yeah, we are. Golden. Man, feels good.
Let's fucking enjoy this. Mom, let's see if she'll move.
Moi, je voudrais pour que tout le monde embarque parce que, genre, tu sais, exemple, on passe en haut, on a l'air con, là.
It's all yours. Damn it. Of course, we're still attached. Can you go find out where we're stuck and get us unstuck?
Yeah,
Ouais.
There. Hey, Kenny, we're loose.
You touch any of my stuff?
I took the map of the train routes.
That's fine, you can have that.
Really?
Yeah, I got them all right up here. I guess it's no worse for wear. Name's Chuck. Charles, if you fancy.
Lee.
That your crew outside?
Yeah.
And the guy up in the cab?
Him too.
I saw you walking through here and thought about scaring the pants off you.
What?
But I couldn't force myself to do it.
You're still kind of freaking me out.
Trained folk will do that. Already met everyone outside. They all warmed to me right quick in direct sunlight.
You met Chuck.
Yeah, I did.
It's so nice to meet someone normal for a change.
He gave us candy. Ben too.
What's your game, man?
Keeping 'em alive.
That's not bad.
I like it.
You met Kenny?
Sure did. Man shares my love of the road.
That's for certain.
Merde.
Sorry your son's not feeling good.
I appreciate your concern.
Well, with a little TLC, I'm sure he'll be fit as a fiddle in no time. And I can offer y'all whatever I got, although it ain't much.
Thank you. We'd like to do the same.
Why don't we hold off on...
Stay with us. We'd like the company.
Je sais pas, là. Bon. Il joue de la guitare, nous autres, on va retourner dans le
So
train.
that's it? We're cut loose?
Seems that way, yeah.
Great. We don't got much left, so just gather whatever you have. Let's go. Want to ride?
Well, it sounds like you're taking my home.
That's a yes, then?
Haven't found anything better for keeping the creepy crawlies out than that boxcar.
Duck's sick.
Get on the train, Clementine.
He's getting sicker.
Let me look at him.
Is the train really a good idea with Duck like that? Maybe we should focus on one thing at a time.
Yes. What can we do here? We get on the train and we find something better. That is the plan.
I think Lee just wants to talk it through.
It's talked through. Get on, Cat. I'll be up front.
Yo,
I
pour
don't
vrai, il
wanna hear
abuse,
any
là, pour faire
nonsense
de quoi,
until
là.
we get where we're going.
Au moins un train. Ah, il pense à son kid, c'est sûr. Encore une fois, aujourd'hui, on va faire un petit vidéo un peu plus long que d'habitude pour vous.
It gotta be hard on you, eh? 3 adults taking care of 3 kids. No disrespect, son.
There were more of us.
Dad get him?
Yes.
Oh, it's a shame.
Lee! Lee, I need you right now. I need you to go get Ken.
What's up?
If you get that off his face, my hands are full here. Thank you. Could you just get that off his face, please? He's out of time. We need to stop this train.
Okay.
Please.
C'est beau. On va aller chercher Ken, mais d'après moi, il va être en tabarnak, là. Fait qu'on va garder la serviette de sang, on va lui montrer, Kat, ton fils, il crache du sang, là, regarde. Faut faire de quoi, là.
You need to stop the train. Kenny.
What?
Ken.
What the hell's that?
Your son's blood.
Get out of here, Lee.
You know he's dying.
Nobody knows shit. He'll be fine.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't talk like that right now.
Go back there and tell my wife everything will be fine. What is the goddamn deal? He's a little sick, but we can't just quit. It's a scratch. He's not like the others. Jesus, all y'all are just making it worse.
This isn't about Doug.
It's not about my son dying. What the hell do you know? You're not my friend.
I don't hate you.
You sure as shit haven't done anything for me.
Fuck off, j'ai toujours été de ton bord, t'es une esti de merde.
You couldn't save Herschel's son then, and you can't save Duck now.
Shut your mouth!
So you're running like a coward.
Ça suffit, Kenny, man.
Just
Je te frapperai pas.
fuck
Je te frapperai pas.
I don't need you, and Duck
Je le
doesn't
frapperai
need you.
pas. Ça suffit, man. Ça suffit, je te tuerai
I
pas.
told Kaja
Fuck
I'd get
off.
you to stop this, and you bet your ass I'm gonna. Don't give a fuck that we don't
Allez
get
voir ton
along.
fils, Kenny,
I'm
man.
not letting you do this to Cat and Duck.
Arrête. Yo, va voir ton
You wanna
fils,
hurt
man.
people
Fuck
because
ce
you're
qu'il
afraid.
fait.
Losing Duck ain't enough for you. Because you fucking lose everything acting like this. I'll fucking kill you before I let that happen.
Tu vas finir par tout perdre.
I'm sorry.
J'aime ça, avoir réussi à ouvrir les yeux sans devoir le frapper, c'est bien, là. On l'a pas frappé.
Ken, I think it's time.
The boy's been bit. In case you haven't figured that out.
Take as long as you need.
There ain't no time left to take. What are we gonna do?
We can't allow him to become one of those things.
But what if he doesn't?
Kenny, I love you very much. I love our son more than life itself. I need you to hear me. What you are saying, that he may not turn, is foolish.
But
No.
there's... Come on, Cat.
If you think of one, you let me know.
Isn't there some sort of pill or something we can just give him?
Stop it.
Just drift off to sleep. Right, hun? I mean, Jesus, this is our son.
I know, but we know it's here or nothing.
Fuck. Just who, then? You want me to?
You don't have to.
I'll do it.
No, you don't have to.
God, fuck. I can. I can do this.
I'll do it.
No, it should be apparent.
No parent should have to do something like this.
He's right, Cat.
C'est vrai,
We can
aucun
say our
parent devrait faire
goodbyes
ça.
and just let that be it.
I don't know. Lee, you'd be doing this family a great service. Why don't we take him into the
That's
forest,
fine.
so Clementine doesn't have to see?
Yeah.
Give us a moment to say goodbye.
Of course.
Eh oui. Hey Doc, ça a été un 4 tout le long du jeu, même. Les jeux pleins d'eau, là.
What's happening?
Duck is dying.
I know. What are you doing?
Je préfère être honnête avec la petite Clémentine.
I'm gonna make sure he's okay.
But how? He's bitten.
By making sure he doesn't come back.
Oh.
Look, Clem, things are... What the?
No!
Ben, take Clementine into the train. Go. It'll be fine.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Doc a vendu 4J, genre, quelque chose de même? Oh non!
Cat! Cat!
Oh
Gotcha!
non, il a mordu 4J.
Why? Cat! Honey, oh,
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
fucking God!
Ah, c'est suicidé?
What the hell happened? What did you...
She could... She's... Oh, fuck!
Hey oh, son fils. Oh non.
What do we do?
Give me the gun, kid. I'll do it.
Ok. Aïe aïe. Fait que c'est ça qui va mettre fin à l'épisode 10 de Walking Dead. C'était vraiment un des épisodes les plus tristes et démoralisants que j'ai eu la chance de jouer à date. Là. Fait que c'est ça. Fait que si vous avez aimé la vidéo, likez. Si vous voulez vous subscriber à la chaîne pour continuer à écouter ça, subscribez. Puis j'espère qu'on va se voir mercredi prochain pour le prochain épisode de Walking Dead. Bonne journée à tout le monde et à la prochaine. Salut.